Shopping list for heart-healthy foods. What you consume counts when it comes to your heart. Follow these heart-healthy eating guidelines. Eat less saturated fat. Reduce your consumption of fatty meats and high-fat dairy items. Pizza, burgers, and creamy sauces or gravy should be avoided. Cut down on salt. Examine the nutrition facts label and choose foods with lower salt levels. Look for foods like canned soups, veggies, packaged dinners, and snack foods that are labeled low sodium or no salt added. Get more fiber. Fiber can be found in vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. Take this shopping list with you the next time you go shopping for groceries. Vegetables and fruits. Consume a variety of vegetables and fruits, including those that are fresh, frozen, tinned, or dried. Tomatoes, cabbage, and carrots are examples of fresh veggies. Romaine lettuce, spinach, and kale are all leafy greens that can be used in salads. Vegetables in cans that are low in salt. Broccoli and cauliflower, for example, are frozen vegetables that haven't had any butter or sauce added to them. Fresh fruits like apples, oranges, bananas, pears, and peaches are some of the fruits available. Fruit that hasn't been added sugar, canned, frozen, or dried. Farmers markets are excellent places to buy seasonal veggies and fruits. Dairy. Look for fat-free or low-fat options. Fat-free or low-fat, 1% milk. Fat-free or low-fat plain yogurt. Fat-free or low-fat cheese or cottage cheese. Soy milk with added calcium, vitamin A, and vitamin D. Whole grains. For products with more than one ingredient, make sure whole wheat or another whole grain is listed first in the ingredient list. Look for items that claim to be 100% whole grain. Tortillas, bagels, English muffins, and whole grain bread. Oatmeal or shredded wheat are examples of whole grain hot or cold breakfast cereals with no added sugar. Brown or wild rice, quinoa, or oats are examples of whole grains. Couscous and whole wheat or whole grain pasta. Proteins. Choose a variety of foods with protein. Seafood, fish and shellfish. Poultry, chicken or turkey breast without skin, or lean ground chicken or turkey, at least 93% lean. Lean meats, like pork shoulder, beef sirloin, or lean ground beef, at least 93% lean. Beans, peas, and lentils, like black beans and garbanzo beans, chickpeas. Eggs. Unsalted nuts, seeds, and nut butter, like almond or peanut butter. Tofu. Healthy fats and oils. Unsaturated fats such as seafood, nuts, seeds, avocados, and oils should be substituted for saturated fat. Seeds, avocados, and oils should be substituted for saturated fat. Try these healthier alternatives. Instead of butter, use vegetable oil, canola, corn, olive, peanut, safflower, soybean, or sunflower. Instead of using full-fat mayonnaise, use low-fat or light mayonnaise. Instead of creamy salad dressings like ranch, choose oil-based dressings like balsamic vinaigrette or Italian dressing. Vegetable oils are generally good alternatives. Coconut and palm oils, heavy in saturated fat, should be avoided. Margarine and other soft spreads may contain less saturated fat than butter, as well. Again, check the nutrition facts label and look for options with less saturated fat. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and like and share it with any family or friends who find it helpful.